Guys, how are ya? Oh, this is it, guys. Last week of real work. Can you believe it? Woohoo! I looked through your animal research notes and you guys are doing a really great job. I want you to keep that up, okay? All right, now it's time to take those notes that you did and you're going to put it into a slideshow. If you remember when we did the African American research projects, y'all made your own slideshows. I didn't even have to help you. So you're kind of going to do the same thing and it guides you through. All right. So when we're done, what you'll do, look at the screen. You're going to go to your Google Classroom and you're going to find the post that says to click on this link to get to your animal research. Okay. When we're done, you'll click that link. Okay. Hopefully yours won't be this slow, but it's going to pop up like this. And when it does, you're going to see copy document. What you do, click make a copy. Yes, Miss Self's internet is very slow. Once you click make a copy, it may come up to get permission from me. If it does, send it to me. I'll give you permission immediately. Hopefully it'll just come up like this. Now, when you do get on it, you're going to have 7 pages. Animal report on. This is your first page. Now look over here at the red. Click above the line. Right here. Type your name of your animal. Okay. Then it tells you here. Click on the insert image icon in Google Slides. So you'd come here. Click on insert image. Search the web. And then it's going to pull up over on the side. And let's say you did a whale. Search whale. Gives you whales. You click on it. It goes in there. And you can make it as big or small as you want. We've learned all that in class. You know how to do all that. Then it gives you all those informations I just told you. Then it says click above the line at the bottom. And write your name on there. When you're done with that slide, what do? Exactly. You go to the next slide. Appearance. The red gives you all the instructions for what to do, where to put your picture, where to put your writing information, your research writing. Now remember, you're going to do a picture and you're going to write your research information in there. My animal has fur. It has ears. It has a long tail. My animals has gills. Anything like that, all of your information. Then you go to the next page when done. Habitat. And what is a habitat? Yeah, that's right. It's the home. So you're going to do a picture right here to find a picture of your habitat. And then you're going to click under the box, type the information from your draft copy. That's the notes you did to tell about the habitat. You'll do the same thing for the life cycle, the stages of life. You're going to kind of draw them in there with the, not draw it, I'm sorry guys, with the insert image. Find a little life cycle of yours, okay, and put it in there. Then you're going to do diet, show what your animal eats, follow the instructions. Then go to the next slide, fill it in for predators. Then you're going to fill it in for interesting facts. And then you're done. Make sure that you do every slideshow, every page, you're going to have a picture and words. And if you look at the red, it's going to tell you everything that you need to do for those slides, okay? Now, when you're done, I want you to check it. Get your mom to check it, your grandma to check it, a big brother or sister. Make sure you capitalize the beginning of sentences. Make sure you put your punctuation at the end of every sentence. Make sure your picture matches your page. Like if you're doing a whale, don't put a picture of a fish eating another fish, or I don't know, something silly. Or don't put a dog on your page if you're doing a whale. And if it's asking about habitat, you're talking about the home in there. You're not talking about your home. You're talking about the animal home. Just make sure everything's making sense, sounding right, looking right. You're capitalizing what needs to be capitalized. You're punctuating, and just follow those directions. Y'all have done these before in class with very little help from me. Most of y'all didn't even need my help. Y'all showed Miss Self how to do some things on there, okay? And then when you're done, if you'll look at the post over here, it's got a class comment I put under the animal research, where to load it. Under there, it's got how to get your animal slideshow on Seesaw. We also did that with our African American reports. You put them on there yourselves, okay? How to get your animal slideshow on Seesaw. You click the green plus sign, then click upload with the cloud on it. Click select from Google Drive at the bottom. Click your animal report when it pops up. And then when it loads, you click the green check mark and download it to Seesaw. I'm going to try to pull that up while we're actually talking to show you how easy it is, okay? If you can't see me, just listen to my voice. Hopefully you can, but okay, now I actually have mine on student mode. So you'd go to your journal on Seesaw. Now remember, this is only after you've finished your report and you've checked it for punctuation, capitalization, and everything, and you make sure it's finished. And once all that's done, you go to Seesaw. Click the add button. After you click the add button, you go over here, see where the Google little thing is, the little cloud. Click upload. Okay. Then where do I go? Exactly. Everything you do is saved to your Google Drive. Select from Google Drive. After you click that, kind of give it a second. Let it load. And then there's a copy of your animal report. I'm going to click it twice. And give it a minute to upload. Y'all know it takes forever. Okay, see? And then your whole report, all your pages you did are going to be there. Click that check mark. Just click the science folder or ELA folder. It doesn't matter to me, whichever one. I'll find it. Science or ELA is fine. And then look, it is on there waiting for teacher approval. Now, if you forgot something, or if it's really sloppy, or if you didn't use capitalization and punctuation, what's going to happen? Yeah, just like in the classroom, chicken scratch goes in the trash, but I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to send it back to you. So if you get it sent back to you, it'll have a note to tell you what to fix. And if not, I will click approve and yours is ready. Okay? I am so excited. I can't wait to see these. Then on Thursday, your assignment is going to be to find 3 friends' reports on here and write something. Watch their slideshows and tell them what you liked about it, or tell them something you learned about the animal from their report. Or you can do more than 3. You can do all of them. All right. And then Thursday at 10:30, we're going to Zoom and you're going to share something you learned about your animal. So excited to see what all you can do. You've learned so much this year. So proud of you guys. And these are just going to be amazing. I love you. Super duper duper days. I love you guys. See you soon. Text me if you need me, okay? Love you guys.